वेदांतको ब्राह्मणस्य क्षत्रियो विजयी भवेत् वैश्यो धनसमृद्धस्य शूद्रः सुखमवाप्नुयात्. Those who are desirous of liberation, they will achieve at the end of the Vedanta, what the Vedanta proclaims about, that they will achieve. How? Because the chanting of Sahasranama will give Chitta Shuddhi, it will give complete Chitta Shuddhi, which then will make the radiance of Vedanta of an Upanishad reveal themselves to him. Those who are in war will achieve victory. Those in business will achieve great profits, and one and all will get happiness. Dharmarthi prapnuyat dharmam artharthi chartham apnuyat kaman avapnuyat kami prajarthi chapnuyat prajam. The one who is desirous of dharma will attain dharma. One who is desirous of wealth will get wealth. One who has got other desires will have those other desires fulfilled. One who has desires of having children will have children. Prayarthi chapnuyat prajam. Bhaktiman yah sadotthaya shuchistadgatamanatah सहस्रम वासुदेवस्य नाम्नाम एतत् प्रकीर्तयेत् यशः प्राप्नोति विपुलं ज्ञाति प्राधान्यमेव च अचलां श्रियमाप्नोति श्रेयः प्राप्नोत्यनुत्तमम्. भक्तिमान यः सदोत्थाय, one who is devoted, bhaktiman. Sadotthaya, who gets up every day early morning. Shuchistadgatamanatah, purifies himself or herself and clears the mind and makes the mind pure. And then Sahasram Vasudevasya Namnam Etat Prakirtayet, and then chants these 1,000 namas of Keshava, of Vasudeva. What does that person attain? Yashaha Prapnoti Vipulam, great fame. Jnati Pradhanyamevacha, among his or her own relations and kinsmen, he or she achieves eminence. Jnati Pradhanyamevacha. Jnati Pradhanyamevacha. Achalam Shriyamapnoti. The constant, ever abiding prosperity apnoti, they get. And Shreya Prapnoti Anuttamam. The greatest glory they'll get. What is this greatest glory? Adi Shankara says, the Lord, Bhishma means here that they will get moksha. Shreya Prapnoti Anuttamam. न भयं क्वचिदाप्नोति वीर्यं तेजश्च विन्दति भवत्य रोगो धृतिमान् बलरूपगुणान्वितः न भयं क्वचिदाप्नोति. That person will never get any fear. Viryam tejascha vindati, valor and splendor, all that they will get. Bhavatya rogo, they will, if they are ill, that illness will go. Dyutiman, they will become shining and radiant. Balarupa gunanvita, they will become strong, and they will become good looking, and they will get good qualities. Gunanvita. Rogarto muchyate rogat, baddho muchyeta bandhanat, bhayan muchyeta bhitasta muchyeta apanna apada. Rogarto muchyate rogat, the one who is seized by or is distressed by illness will be freed from illness. One who is in some kind of bondage will be freed from that bondage. One who is seized by fear will be freed from fear. One who is caught in calamity will get released from that calamity. Durgan iti dharatyashu purusha purushottamam stuvannama sahasrena nityam bhakti samanvita. The one who chants the Sahasranama every day, filled with devotion. The Sahasranama, the Purushottama, Sri Narayana, one who chants every day, filled with devotion, he will surmount all difficulties. Vasudeva Shriyo Martyo Vasudeva Parayana Sarva Papa Vishuddhatma Yati Brahma Sanatanam. The person whose refuge is Vasudeva, whose goal is Vasudeva, such a person who chants Vishnu Sahasranama, all his sins will be cleansed away. He will become a pure individual and he will achieve the eternal Brahman. न वासुदेव भक्तानाम अशुभम विद्यते क्वचित् Janma mrityu jara vyadi bhayam naivopajayate. Na Vasudeva bhaktanam. To the bhaktas, to the devotees of Vasudeva, nothing inauspicious will ever happen. And fear of birth and death and old age and disease, etc., will not affect them. Imam stavam adhiyana shraddha bhakti samanvita yujyetatma sukhakshanti sridhiti smriti kirtivi. Imam stavam adhiyana. By parayana, by chanting of these 1,000 names, shraddha bhakti samanvita, with faith and with devotion, then the Lord unites you with Atma Sukha, with the bliss of the self, with Kshanti, with disposition of forgiveness, with Shri, splendor and glory, Dhriti, fortitude, Smriti, with memory, and Kirtibi, and with fame. न क्रोधो न च मात्सर्यं न लोभो न शुभामति भवन्ति कत पुण्यानां भक्तानां पुरुषोत्तमे न क्रोधो न च मात्सर्यं न लोभो न शुभामति. The devotees of Vasudeva, of Purushottama, they become kata punyanam, they are meritorious, and they will not get anger, or not be affected by anger or jealousy or greed or any inauspicious thoughts. Na shubhamati. Dyauh sajandra nakshatra kham disho bhur mahodadi vasudevasya viryena vidyatani mahatmana. Dyauh, the space, the moon, the stars, the directions, the earth, the oceans, all of them, how are they supported? They are all supported by Vasudevasya Viryena, by the prowess of Vasudeva. Mahatma Vasudeva, Mahatmana, he is the great self of all. Sasurasra Gandharvam Sayakshoragarakshasam Jagadvashe Vartatedam Krishnasya Satarajaram. Sasurasra Gandharvam Sayakshoragarakshasam. All the Devas, all the Asuras, all the Gandharvas, all the Yakshas, all the serpents, all the Rakshasas, all of them are under the control of Krishna. Everything which is moving and unmoving is under the control of Sri Krishna. Krishnasya Sataracharam. Once again, Bhishma points out to Krishna here. Indriyani manobuddhi sattvam tejo balam diti vasudevatmakan yahu kshetram kshetragya evacha. All the senses, the mind, the buddhi, the intellect, sattvam tejo balam diti, the pure aspect of life, the splendor, the strength, fortitude, all this have what? All these are sustained by what? All these have got what as the self? Vasudeva. Vasudeva is the self of both Kshetra and Kshetragya, is the self of the phenomenal world, as well as the one who is the knower of the phenomenal world. Sarvagamanam acharah pratamam parikalpate achara prabho dharmo dharmasya prabhurachyutah. Sarvagamanam acharah pratamam parikalpate. As per all the scriptures, what is the foremost qualification needed that they prescribe? Foremost qualification, all the scriptures say, is achara, conduct. Achara prabho dharma. And where does this conduct come from? This correct conduct comes from dharma. Dharmasya prabhurachyutah. And where does this dharma come from? Who is the Lord of this dharma? Achyutah, Sri Krishna. Rishaya pitro deva mahabhutani dhatavah jangama jangamam chedam jagannarayanodbhavam. All the rishis, all the forefathers, all the deities, devas, all the great elements, all the derived elements, all the moving things, all unmoving things, all of them have come from Narayana, Jagannarayanodbhavam. All the universe has come from Narayana. And what have are we only talking about the material universes and the beings? No. Yogo jnanam tatha sankyam vidya shilpadi karma cha vedah shastran vijnanam etat sarvam janardanat. All knowledge, whether it is Veda or whether it is Sankhya, whether it is any other subject, whether it is, for example, sculpture or artistry or any other kind of activity or Veda or Shastra or science, all have come from Janardana. Etat sarvam Janardanat. Eko Vishnurmahadbhutam Pratak Bhutanyanekashah Trin Lokan Vyapya Bhutatma Bhumte Vishwabhugavyah. Eko Vishnu. There is only one great being who is Vishnu. Mahadbhutam is a great being. Pratak Bhutan Anekashah. And then there are all these innumerable other beings. But it is the one great being, Mahavishnu, who pervades all these other beings. And he pervades as the self of all. Trin Lokan Vyapya Bhutatma. As the self of all, as the enjoyer of all, he experiences everything. Parasar Bhattar says, he protects everything. He enjoys everything, but remains untouched by anything. Imam stavam bhagavato Vishnu vyasena kirtitam pate jayichet purushah shreya praptum sukhani cha. Now who is the one who composed this Sahasranama? Imam stavam bhagavato Vishnu vyasena kirtitam. Yeah, he says, Vyasa is, but Bhishma is telling, it has been created, it has been composed by Vyasa. And Vyasa is the same as Narayana, he is Vishnu. Vishnu Vyasena Kirtitam. He is the one who sang it. Kirtitam, I don't know whether they composed it or God knows who composed it, but yes, Narayana. Pateti Ichet Purusha. Isheha Praptum Sukhani. And the person who reads it, he'll get his desires fulfilled, he'll get moksha and bliss. Vishveshwaramajam devam jagatah prabhumavyayam bhajanti ye pushkaraksham nade yanti parabhavam om namayiti. Vishveshwaram, the Lord of the universe, Ajam, the unborn, Devam, the God, Jagatah prabhumavyayam, the unchanging, undecaying Lord of all the universe. They bhajanti ye pushkaraksham, the one who has got lotus eyes. Bhajantiye, they who worship him, nate yanti parabhavam. They never meet with any discomfiture, any disrespect, any dishonor. They never meet with any of these problems. And Vyasa repeats this, nate yanti parabhavam. They do not meet with discomfiture. They do not meet with dishonor. They do not meet with disrespect. Om Namaiti. This ends the Sahasranama as in Mahabharata, the treatise in Mahabharata. But there are certain, in the Dakshinakhya, the southern Indian recension of Mahabharata, several of them, has got a few more which are also traditionally chanted. We'll go through that as well. Arjuna vacha padma patra vishalaksha padmanabha surotana bhaktanam anuraktanam trata bhavajanardana. Arjuna, who is standing there when Bhishma is telling all this, now suddenly turns to Sri Krishna and says, "O Krishna, for those devotees of yours who are all the time they are immersed in you, anuraktanam, you have to save us. Trata bhava, save us, protect us." And Bhagavan tells him, Yo mam nama sahasrena stotum ichchati pandava soham ekena shlokena stuta evana samsheha. Sri Krishna says, they who want to please me by offering worship through 1,000 names, they can actually get the same benefit by chanting just one shloka. Which is that shloka? Vyasa explains the shloka. Vasanad vasudevasya vasitam bhuvanatrayam sarvabhuta nivasosi vasudeva namostute. Vasanad vasudevasya vasitam bhuvanatrayam. How is the three worlds inhabited? The three worlds is inhabited because the inhabitor is Vasudeva. If Vasudeva is not there is no inhabitant. Because inhabitation is done by Vasudeva, the three worlds are inhabited. Sarvabhuta nivasosi. And you, O Lord, are the inhabitor of all beings. To that Vasudeva, namostute. Just this one shloka you tell every day or whenever you want. That is equal to telling 1,000 names of Sahasranama, says Bhagavan to Arjuna. Because Arjuna, he seems to understood. Arjuna says the 1,000 names, who is going to learn? So you must protect us devotees. There are several of us devotees. We We can do many things, but this seems difficult. So he said, so you take this one slokam, Vasanat Vasudevasya Vasitam Bhuvanatrayam Sarvabhuta Nivasosi Vasudeva Namostute. Now all this is also being listened to. All this is also being listened to by Lord Shiva. The entire thing is being listened to by Lord Shiva and Parvati. So Parvati in turn asks, Kenopayena Laguna Vishnu Kenopayena Laguna Vishnu Nama Sahasrakam Pathyate Panditay Nityam Shrotamichamyam Prabhu. She says, what is the method by which this Sahasranama, the 1000 name, even by learned people, how can they simply, what is the simple method by which they can do the Parayana of these 1000 names? Oh Lord, you please kindly, I want to hear it, you tell me. What does it look that she means? That even this one shloka that has been given, Vasanat Vasudevasya Vasitam Bhuvanatrayam Sarvabhuta Nivasesi Vasudeva Namostute, is a little bit difficult. For whom? Even learned people, not even for simple people. Even learned people means, this is not just a name, no, it's what is that, so to it Ishvara replies, Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame Manorame Sahasranama Tattulyam Rama Nama Varanane Sri Rama Nama Varanana Om Namahiti. Varanana, oh beautiful, O lady of beautiful face, he says to Parvati, Varanane. Sri Rama Rama Rameti Rame Rame, just say Rama. The name of Rama is equivalent to, is the same as the 1000 Sahasranama is all done by the name, one name Rama. You know the story of Murugan and Pillayar, no, where he gets the fruit if you go around the universe and he shoots off in the Kartikeya shoots off in the peacock and Ganesha circumambulates Shiva and Parvati. There's another alternate story in North India where Ganesha sits on his mouse and starts going, where can he go? That man has already flown off. Then Narada comes and tells him what to do. Then he writes the name Rama on the ground and goes around it and he gets the fruit. So that was one. Then towards the end, Brahmovacha Namosthanantaya Sahasramurtiye Sahasrapadakshi Shirorbhave Sahasranamne Purushaya Shashvate Sahasrakoti Yugadharine Namah Sahasrakoti Yugadharine Namah Om Namahiti Namosthanantaya. I bow to the infinite, to the one who has 1000 forms, to the one who has 1000 feet, 1000 eyes, 1000 heads, 1000 hands, 1000 names. They are all ever present. The Purusha, the one who is bearing all the thousands of eons of time, says Brahma. Then Sanjaya says, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno Yatra Partho Dhanurdhara Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhurti Dhruva Netir Matir Mama. Where there is Yogeshwara Krishna, where there is the bow carrying Arjuna, there prosperity, victory, all these in my mind, these are certain. All goodness is certain. And then Sri Bhagavan says, Sri Krishna says, Paritranaya sadhunam vinashaya cha dushkritam dharma sansthapanarthaya sambhavami yuge yuge. For protecting the good people and for destroying the evil and for establishing dharma, I shall manifest myself again and again in every yuga. Ananyas chintayanto mam yetna paryupasate tesham nityabhyuktanam yogakshemam vamyam. They who think of me uninterruptedly, I will unite with myself and I will lift them and I will give them yogakshema. Artha vishannaha shidila shabhitaha goreshu chavyadishu vartamanaha sankiti narayana shabdamatram vimukta dukkha sukhino bhavantu. Artha, those who are in distress, those who are in grief, those who are mentally broken, those who are in fear, those who are seized by terrible disease, all these people, by the mere singing of the name Narayana, they'll be freed from dukkha and become happy. It says, now we conclude this with इति श्रीमहाभारते शतसहस्रसंहितायां वैयासिक्याम् अनुशासनिकपर्वणि श्रीभीष्मयुधिष्ठिरसंवादरूपः 49+100तमः श्रीविष्णुसहस्रनामस्तोत्र अध्यायः समाप्तः. In Mahabharata of 100,000 words, in the Anushasanika Parva, this dialogue between Bhishma and Yudhishthira, which is the 149th chapter in that Parva, this Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra is complete. And Adi Shankara completes his commentary with the following words. Sahasranama Sambandhi Vyakhya Sarva Sukhavaha Shrutismriti Nyayamula Rachita Haripadayoho. Sahasranama Sambandhi Vyakhya Sarva Sukhavaha. This commentary on Sahasranama, which is Sarva Sukhavaha, it gives all happiness, and which is based on Veda, which is based on all the Smriti, it is based on Nyaya. This I dedicate to the feet of Hari, Haripadayoho. It is Sri Paramahamsa Parivrajakacharyasya Sri Govinda Bhagavat Pujya Pada Shishyasya Sri Machankara Bhagavat Pada Krutau Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Bhashyam Sampurnam. In this manner, this commentary created by Paramahamsa Parivrajakacharyasya, the great Paramahamsa Parivrajakacarya, Sri, who was the Shishya of Govinda Bhagavat Pada, Pujya Bhagavat Pada, who is this Srimad Shankara Bhagavat Pada, composed by him. This Bhashya of Vishnu Sahasranama is complete. And Parashara Bhattar concludes his Sahasranama Bhashyam with the following. Asmakam matracha paratracha sarva dukkham unmulya sampadam ashesha vidha vidhaya Shirangaraja Mahishi Saja Vaishnavanam Sangatsakam Sahajayena Sada Kriyastam. May Ranganatha and his consort Ranganayaki uproot all our distress here and hereafter. Confer wealth, all wealth to us. Always bless us through the companionship of Vishnu Bhaktas, and bless us with happiness and bless us with victory. And his signature completion is Iti Shri Haritakula Tilaka Sri Vatsankita Mishra Sunoho Shri Rangaraj Divyagya Labdha Shri Parashara Bhatta Paranadheyasya Shri Ranganatasya Katau Shri Vishnu Sahasranama Vivarane Bhagavad Guna Darpane Dashamam Shatakam Samaptam. Harikula Tilaka, from the Haritakula Tilaka, this crestwell of Harita Gotra, who was the son of Srivatsanka Mishra, whose name was Ranganatha, who was given the title of Parashara Bhatta by the divine order of Rangaraj Perumal, of Ranganatha Swami, of Sri Rangam himself, who had given him this name. By this Parashara Bhatta, this Vishnu Sahasranama elaboration, Vivaranam, elaborated in what form? Bhagavad Guna Darpanam, as the qualities of the Lord, the mirror of the qualities of the Lord. The 10th Shatakam, because it's divided into 10 parts of 100 verses, 100 namas each. The 10th Shatakam is now complete, and we now complete it with the traditional completion. Kayera vacha manasendriyaiva buddhyatmana va prakrite svabhavat karomi yajyat sakalam parasmai narayanayeti samarpayami. All that we have done so far, by our body or by our speech or by mind or by our senses or by our brain or intellect, or by our qualities, normal qualities, karomi yajyat, whatever I do or we are doing, all this we now Narayanayati, we are dedicating to Narayana, and it is all his and not ours. Har Namah Parvati Pataye. Says Ramana will bear upon his own head the burden of those who have given up their mind. Har Namah Parvati Pataye. Janaki Kanta Smaranam. Gopika Jivana Smaranam. Vetrivel Muruganak, Shri Sadguru Swaminah, Shri Anjaneya Swaminah,